For today's video, we will show you how to create PayPal business account for your Shopify. So let's begin. When you set up your Shopify store, Shopify creates a PayPal Express checkout account using the email address you use to sign in into your store. And if you already have a PayPal account with that email address, then you receive payments from orders made with PayPal right away. And if you want to issue refunds or manually capture payments, then you need to finish setting up your PayPal account. To use your PayPal on your store, you should upgrade your personal account to a business account, alright? So, finish setting up your PayPal account would mean doing it in your computer. So, from your Shopify admin, go to Settings, click Payments. In the Additional Payment Methods section, find PayPal, click Manage, and of course, you need to click the Deactivate PayPal Express Checkout. Now you need to click the Activate PayPal Express Checkout again to confirm, and click Activate PayPal Express Checkout. Enter the email address for your PayPal account and then click Next. Enter the password for your PayPal account and then click Login. On the PayPal Permissions page, click I give permission. On the PayPal confirmation page, click Go back to Shopify. Of course, you need to make a test transaction to make sure everything is set up properly. Now, you can do this also on your iPhone and an Android. It's the simple steps, alright? Now, if you want to know more about PayPal's shipping and billing address, all you're going to do is you need to fill out the PayPal's billing address field with the customer's shipping address. Then a customer can edit the information by clicking Change, alright? And this is how PayPal works, and it cannot be modified. Shopify can send only a single address to PayPal, right? And if you want to know more about setting up your PayPal business to Shopify store, I suggest you go here. And if for some reason you are having problems linking your Shopify to your PayPal account, all you're gonna do is click on the Shopify contact support, and they'll be more than glad to assist you on creating your PayPal business account to your Shopify store. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.